Congratulations! You've been hired! Welcome to the Joy of Clean. We're super excited that you've decided to join our team. We consider it an awesome privilege to have you on our team. We want you to know that we value your talents and what you bring, not only for cleaning, but in lots of other areas as well. We know that everybody's multi-talented, and so we can't wait to get to know you better and see what makes you tick. But first, we want to just let you know what makes us tick here at the Joy of Clean. So real quick, I want to share our vision and mission, and then talk a little bit about our core values. What makes us tick as a company? What's the Joy of Clean all about? And then we'll get into a little bit about training and supplies and fun stuff like that. So first, our vision as a company, as the Joy of Clean, is to be the premier house cleaning company in the Lake Ray Hubbard area. We want, whenever somebody asks on Facebook, hey, who's a good house cleaner? We want 25 people to jump on there and say, the Joy of Clean, call them, they're the best. We want to be a household name here in the Lake Ray Hubbard area, and for people to know us for our great customer service and our great quality of cleaning, our great quality of work. And we're super passionate about that, and we're working towards that. And we have a huge bonus or a huge advantage in that we're 100% non-toxic. And we'll talk more about that later and why that's so important to us. So anyway, and then real quick, I want to share with you our core values as a company. Here at the Joy of Clean, we have very up. So I want to share our core values with you as a company. What makes the Joy of Clean tick? What makes us, oh gosh. So the way that we plan to achieve this vision, because when you've got a goal, you've got to have a plan. The way that we plan to achieve this vision is by adhering to these 4 core values. This is what makes our company tick, and this is what we really strive to run all of our decision making through, and that we ask all of our employees, all of our cleaners to run their decision making through. So anytime you have a question or you're not sure about something, you can always go to the core values and think, okay, what are my core values, and how can that influence my cleaning today, or how can that help me better answer this question that I have in my mind? So number 1, add value. Number 2, serve with gratitude. Number 3, grow continuously. And number 4, be generous. So add value, what does that mean? Well, that means that whenever we walk into somebody's home, when we're there to clean, we're adding tremendous value to their lives. We're really bringing a luxury service into their lives that can buy back time for them, that can give them quality time with their families, with their kids. Maybe they have health issues where they're not able to clean on their own. We've had several clients like that. It can give them time with their spouse, or maybe time to write that book, or just do the things that they love. And it's really a luxury service, and it's something really neat that we get to provide for them. So we're actively adding value to our clients' lives, really in a way changing their lives just by giving them this service. And we want to give them the best service possible so that they can just not even have to think about it. Okay, serve with gratitude. What does that mean? Well, it means when we're in somebody's home, we're thankful to be there. We're thankful for the opportunity to serve them. It really is a blessing to be able to serve. It's a privilege to be able to serve a client, and also just thankful that I have a job. Thankful that this person has decided to pay for me to be able to clean their home, and that's just really neat. It's really neat to have that opportunity. Grow continuously. So this speaks to our personal growth. Like, we're always trying to do better. How can we do this job better, or how am I investing in myself that I can be better at who I am and what I do? So we're always trying to find ways to grow. even in our company, we're always trying to find ways to do things better and level up. And so that's one of our core values, is to grow continuously. And lastly is be generous. So we always want to find ways to go the extra mile. Bake in the wow factor to our cleaning. You know, just the way that you tidy things in a bathroom, or maybe leaving a little note for the client on their kitchen table, or putting some mints there. Whatever it is that we're doing, just going the extra mile, folding those towels, you know, making them nice and pretty when they're on the rack. Just finding little extra tweaks in the cleaning that make all the difference in the world, and that really make the home just feel immaculate and super clean. So that's what being generous is all about, finding ways to go the extra mile. Now, ways that you can put these into action is, you know, let's say you're on the job with one of your fellow employees, and ask yourself, is your conversation adding value? You know, are you adding value to your co-worker's life? Are you adding value to the customer's life by the way that you're cleaning? You know, serving with gratitude. Again, you know, in our conversation or even in our thoughts, you know, are we thankful for the opportunity to serve? You know, if you're like, you're cleaning something and something's not quite coming off, and there's a little bit of extra gunk on there, you know, give it some extra elbow grease. You know, just try to be generous. Try to embody these core values. So again, one more time, add value, serve with gratitude, grow continuously, and be generous. And that's what we're all about here at the Joy of Clean, not only with our clients, but even amongst each other. We want to embody these core values so we can all have an amazing time and do an amazing job at what we do.